Hi everyone, I'm Christy McCammon and I share tips, tricks, and recipes to help you on your journey towards food freedom. Today I'm going to be making a chicken apple coleslaw from the Brightline Eating official cookbook. It's a real simple recipe, real quick and easy to pull together. The first thing we're going to do is make the coleslaw, and then I'll show you how to make the dressing. I have 10 ounces of tricolor coleslaw. That will go into my bowl. And then I have 6 ounces of apples, and put a little bit of lemon juice on them and just kind of toss it around so that way they don't get brown. Okay, and that goes directly in as well. And then 4 ounces of cooked chicken. I had roasted or baked some chicken tenderloin the other day, and I had it in the fridge and I just cut it up. You could use rotisserie chicken, whatever is simple to have on hand and make this quickly. So you mix those up, so that part is ready, and now I'm going to make the dressing. This particular recipe is designed for 4 servings. I do the coleslaw, apple, and chicken part in an individual serving, and then I do make the dressing in 4 serving size, and then when I use it, I just use 1/4 of it. So it can stay in the refrigerator and I can use it 4 times. So I measure that out. So it's 2 ounces of mayonnaise, 2 ounces apple cider vinegar, salt, pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon Dijon mustard. So I mix it in a little mason jar, then I can just shake it up, keep it in the fridge, and it's ready to go. I have the mayonnaise in the bottom, already measured, 2 ounces apple cider vinegar, a 1/4 teaspoon Dijon mustard, and then salt and pepper, and then I put the lid on and mix it up. Measured out the dressing. I have 1 ounce here. I'm going to add it to the coleslaw. Just do a quick toss. And this is a full lunch portion with the fruit, vegetables, protein, and the fat. This chicken apple coleslaw turned out great. I think you'll really like it. I appreciate you watching the video, and I hope you have an amazingly bright day.